Hey, what's up guys, it's the boy Crazy CTP. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to check if the file exists using the C programming language. So in order to do that, okay, the first thing that we want to do is open up our IDE. It can be code blocks or whatever the IDE that you want to use. Then after you have opened your IDE, what you want to type is it's include, then the standard input output. Then we want to create our main function over here. Okay, let me say, okay, after we are done creating our main function, we want to say file, then our pointer over here. Then I want to say if the file equals to fopen. Then let me show it to you guys. I'm in this directory and I want to check if this test.txt exists or not. So for that I will say test.txt, then put comma over here, then say R for reading mode. Then after that I want to say printf, then say file exists, then the new line, then the semicolon. Then make sure that you have closed your file after working with your file. So let me say fclose, then the file, don't forget the semicolon over there. Then say else, if the file wasn't found, I wanna print file not found. Then don't forget the semicolon over there. Then I think our code is fine. So in order to test it, you need to come to this icon over here where it says build and run, then click on it and see what's going to happen. So it says file exists because we have this test.txt on this current directory that we are working on. So let us say, for example, okay, found.txt, and as you can see we don't have the found.txt here. So let me close this console, then come here and say build and run. So as you can see now it says file no found. Okay, some typo over here. Let me build and run again. So as you can see now it says file not found. So yeah, this was the video guys. If it helped you, please like, comment, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. I guess it is peace.